Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to find and locate a specific text on a web page in Firefox, Chrome or Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you just want to do a search for any text-based words, it has to be able to be a text campaign image. But if it's just in a text format, and you can highlight over and copy the text. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up first on a Firefox browser. Ang next na gagawin natin dito kung paano ba natin i-find words on a web page. So dito lang sa ating keyboard ay press mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus F key. And then dito naman sa left side ay makita mo kaagad dito yung find a page. Ito siya. So pwede ka nang mag-type dito na any specific words mga kaibigan. And then pwede mo itong i-highlights. And then pwede mo i-copy. Mag-right click ka lang. And then dito naman sa upper right side, i-click mo lang itong 3-line icon na to. And then select mo lang dito, scroll down. And then select mo dito yung find in a page. I-click mo lang yan. And then madirect tayo dito. Okay? So, same things naman dito sa Microsoft Edge web browser. So, ang next step ay dito lang sa keyboard. So, press mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus F key. Ayan. So, makita mo kaagad dito sa taas na nag-pop up itong find in a web page. So, dito, pwede ka ulit dito na find or non-specific text. So, any specific text na pwede mong i-search dito. And then, pwede mo itong i-highlights. And then, pwede mo itong i-copy. Alright? And then dito naman sa upper right side, ay click mo lang tong tatlong dot. And then scroll down ka lang at click mo lang tong find on page. Ayan, so madirect agad tayo dito. Okay? So ang next dito naman sa Google Chrome. So same procedure. Dito lang sa keyboard ay press mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus F key. And then dito naman sa upper right side ay pop-up ito mga kaibigan. So, pwede ka na dito mag-find ng any specific words mga kaibigan. And then, pwede mo itong i-highlights. And then, pwede mo itong i-copy. Mag-right click ka lang. And click mo itong copy. And then, dito naman sa upper right side, click mo lang itong tatlong dot. And then, scroll down. And then, click mo lang itong find and edit. And then, click mo lang itong find. So, same procedure mga kaibigan dito. Mag-pop up ito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to find a word on a web page in Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge web browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.